is it for Venice. I have toured as much as Venice as I can in the last 2 days. I'm now preparing to go to France for tomorrow. We have an early morning flight tomorrow, so I'm going to sleep early and get ready for that. In terms of what I think of Venice, Venice is a once in a lifetime place to go to. You must at least go to Venice at least once. Very nice. It's so different to Milan. It's so different, and I had a great experience. I had so much fun. I saw lots of different islands within the Venice area, and I just loved it, to be fair. Definitely a trip that I will remember for a lifetime, for a very long time. So I definitely recommend you guys to visit. In terms of heat and temperature, it was very hot. If you are thinking of going to Venice during this period, or July, August, that sort of period, then make sure to come prepared with clothing, so shorts, dresses, all of those sort of stuff. Also, one thing to mention about Venice is that you get bitten quite a lot, like gnats? Like mosquito. I don't know if it's mosquitoes, but I've gotten like bitten like 10 times. So if you are planning to go to Venice, make sure to get some insect repellent, mosquito repellent, because you will get bitten, as I got bitten like 10 times throughout these 2 days that I have been in Venice. But other than that, I really liked Venice, and yeah, I am very tired. I'm going to sleep, so I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.